Welcome everyone, my name is Ankit. In today's video, I'm going to talk about basic of cloud computing, why cloud computing is more important and what are the real application of cloud computing and what are the types of cloud computing and also difference between cloud computing vs green computing. So watch till end guys, I hope you will like my video. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is defined as the virtual platform that allow you to store and access your data over the internet without any limitation. Cloud computing is delivery of computing services including server, storage, databases, networking, softwares or analytics over the internet. Cloud storage information is stored in data center located anywhere in the world and maintained by the third party. This include example like HubSpot, DataType, Amazon, Google and Dropbox. In cloud storage, information is stored in data center located anywhere in the world and maintained by the third party. Cloud computing is divided into three main categories. These are infrastructure as service, platform as service and software as a service. Let's talk about it one by one. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, provide a complete infrastructure, service and internet networking devices and allow company to install software on provider server and control the configuration of all devices. IaaS, also known as cloud infrastructure service, is a form of cloud computing in which IT infrastructure is provided to end user through the internet, commonly associated with serverless computing. Example in Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Computer Engine. Let's talk about PaaS, platform as a service. It is a form of cloud computing where application software platform is provided by another third party. Primarily for developer and programmer, a PaaS allows user to develop, run and manage their own app without having to build and maintain the infrastructure or platform usually associated with the process. Platform as a service can run in the cloud for managed offering. A PaaS provider hosts the software and hardware on its own infrastructure, deliver this platform to user as integrated solution stack and services through the internet. It's include example like Google App Engine, Adobe Commerce, etc. Let's talk about third type of cloud computing, that is SaaS, software as a service, is a form of cloud computing that delivers a cloud application and all its underlying IT infrastructure and platform to end user through the internet. It can be ideal solution for large enterprises, a small business or individual. It prefers simple cost management through the operational expenses rather than capital expenses investment. The best example of software as a service are Gmail, Slack, Microsoft Office, Buffer, DocuSign and HubSpot, etc. Let's talk about some interesting facts about cloud computing. By 2025, there will be over 100 zettabytes of data stored in the cloud. The second most popular cloud storage service is Dropbox, has a huge following as well as over 700 million reported users according to the financial statement. According to the remote work statistic, approximately 34% of workers says that they prefer to work in the cloud and will also look for a new job if they require to return to the office. With a predicted CAGR of 48.2%, it is expected that it will reach $7.24 billion in revenue by 2027. Now the question arises that is cloud private or public? A cloud may be private or public. A public cloud sells services to anyone with the help of internet. A public cloud is a network or data center that supplies hosted services to a limited number of people with certain access and permission. Let's talk about some career opportunity in cloud computing. These are cloud administrator, cloud developer, chief cloud officer and cloud engineer. Let's talk about it one by one. Talk about cloud developer. A cloud application developer creates software platform that run on the cloud, either as software as service based app or platform hosted in the private cloud. Let's talk about cloud architect. Role of cloud architect is a strategic one. Let's talk about cloud engineer. A cloud engineer is an IT professional that builds and maintains cloud infrastructure. Cloud engineer have more specific role that include cloud architecting, designing. Let's talk about what are the skills that are very necessary for cloud computing. These are like Linux, database skills, programming skills, networking skills, development skills, virtualization skills, and also understanding the cloud providers. Cloud computing is extremely cost effective and company can use it for their growth. The future of cloud computing is bright and will provide benefits for both host and the customer. Let's move ahead. Now I am going to talk about edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing framework that brings enterprises application closer to data source, such as IoT devices or local edge servers. This proximity to data at its source can deliver strong business benefits, including faster insight, improved response times, and better bandwidth availability. Let's move ahead. Now I am going to explore the term green computing. It is basically environmentally responsible and eco-friendly use of computers and their resources. In broader terms, it can be defined as a study of designing, engineering, manufacturing, and using of computing devices in a way that reduce the way of environmental impact. I hope you enjoyed my video of cloud computing. मिलते हैं जल्द, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय.